Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, 18th of September 2021. A beautiful late summer day here where I'm at. Looking at this chart here, this is the Astro Excel chart that you're used to looking at, the one I've been showing, the 30-minute chart. Don't forget, you can look at all of our charts on all time frames. Now, we've got a nice development here today. Ken has integrated the Cosmodyne into Ninja, so we are now able to plot that. Again, you can plot that on any time frame, and we're working on getting that put together into a larger time frame so we can hopefully utilize this on a daily bar or at least an intra-week basis for some bigger swings. But what I want to point out here today, just to introduce this Cosmodyne to you guys a little bit, is take a look at the big peaks and valleys. If you like a little larger of an intraday time frame, say you like to trade a 30 or 60 minute chart, this is going to give you some really nice entry points. So what I've done here, the Cosmodyne on the bottom, obviously I've got the main plot and the inverted plot. This line doesn't belong, I'll get rid of that. But where the Cosmodyne peaks and makes its peak, high, and low points are key points for some of the more significant turns that you're going to find on this 30-minute chart. So what I've done, I've gone through all the larger peaks and marked the blue vertical lines up on the price action. So you can see this first spike peak here. We hit that nice high. We go to that next spike, that's a low, puts you into a nice trade that swings up to the very next point. Here you get a short trade, really nice trade there. This one here, it's a little bit dead. I didn't mark it. Let me pop that one in. This one here is a little bit less of a move. It's about 1 a.m. Didn't get a whole lot there, 1 to 2 a.m. Then we hit the nice peak, triggered off a good short. This one here is kind of in the middle of a quiet zone, so not much there. This one sets up a really nice long. Another nice short on the 16th. Another nice short late in the day. Not my trading time, but it worked. Then again on Friday, two triggers there, two nice short triggers. So even if you wanted to do nothing else with these tools but take these sort of trades, whether you want to trade ES contracts, either the minis, the micros, whatever it is you want to do, ES options. I personally like the SPY options. I like the 3 expirations each week and the different range of strikes in that. This is a phenomenal tool for taking some SPY trades when they come, during this day session. So this is really, just this one tool alone here is worth the price of admission for the storm tools. So let me pull up a little bit of a smaller time frame so you can see what it looks like on the shorter frame. So here it is. Here's the Cosmodyne main line and the inverted line plotted on the ES3 mini chart. So you can see right here, I've marked many of those same pivot points that we looked at on the other chart. The 30-minute chart kind of fine-tunes you. On the shorter time frame, a 3-minute chart, the highs and lows could be a touch off, but either way, I mean, you still get in for plenty of the moves, and you can see how we've caught some really nice moves. You can see how sometimes when the Cosmodyne starts to go into a consolidation mode, the price action also starts to consolidate. Not all the times, but sometimes, and you can see when that's going to happen. So you can see right there on what was that, Tuesday, we went into that consolidation mode on Cosmodynes, and then we consolidated on the price action until we got to the next Cosmodyne move. As soon as we hit the peak on the Cosmodyne here, we tanked right off of that with the energy line from the Cosmodyne. So these are really, phenomenal tools. If the market's making a little bit of a bigger range, even though the Cosmo's chopping, the market may be making a bigger trading range. It still gives you tradable moves. Look at that. You got that high right there. Trades down to that low in the market, low on Cosmodyne. Trades back up to the peak here. Peak on Cosmodyne. Trades down to the big spike where you trigger off the next big move. Even that one happened early in the morning, about the start of a little bit before the European trading session. Even that was at about 44.46, and that traded up to the 57 area. So even that right there is an 11-point move. So you can see there's a lot of big moves come behind these signals. If you don't have the storm tools, you need to get them. That's it for today. We'll come back tomorrow on Sunday. I'll give you the Astro Excel outlook for the week along with the Cosmodyne together. Come back. You're going to love it.